Hey everyone! Imagine this for a moment. Living at 4,700 meters above sea level, where the air is thin, the cold is extreme, and the nearest power line is hundreds of kilometers away. Now imagine trying to heat your home, cook, or simply turn on a light with absolutely no electricity. For many people, this is their everyday reality. But today, that reality is changing. In this video, we're taking you inside a complete, cutting-edge, off-grid solar plus energy storage system designed specifically for these extreme conditions. This microgrid consists of 3 independent ESS units, 2 indoor battery clusters, each offering 221 kilowatt-hours of storage, paired with high-efficiency hybrid inverters, plus an additional 100 kilowatt-hour system connected to an on-grid inverter for added flexibility. Together, these systems deliver continuous, stable 24/7 electricity to an area that previously had zero access to power. Why was this project necessary? Because at 4,700 meters, the environment is unforgiving. Freezing temperatures, intense UV radiation, unpredictable weather, and a long-standing dependence on coal or firewood just to survive the winter. The community urgently needed clean, safe, and reliable electricity, especially for modern electric heating systems. This is exactly the challenge that the solar storage solution was built to overcome. So, how does the system actually work? During the day, solar panels capture the strong mountain sunlight and generate clean energy. This power simultaneously runs local loads and charges all 3 battery systems. When night comes, the batteries automatically take over. No noise, no diesel, no pollution, and no need for manual switching. Just clean, stable, seamless power, day and night. The impact on the community has been transformative. This is true off-grid independence, eliminating the need for coal. It provides stable electricity for heating, dramatically improving comfort and safety. It reduces smoke and pollution, and finally brings reliable power for lighting, daily life, and productivity. For a region once considered impossible to electrify, solar plus storage has made stable power a reality. This project is a powerful example of how modern renewable energy technology can bring light, warmth, and stability to some of the most remote places on Earth. If you're interested in off-grid systems, ESS technology, or real-world renewable energy cases, make sure to subscribe. More incredible projects are coming soon.